Hey guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen, and today we got 2 squishy packages. So, here is the first one. I'm not going to choose back because that's where my address is. And here's the second one. It came in this very pretty palm mailer. I'm going to show you the front without the address. Like, look how cute this is. This one's on mesokawaii. I expected it to come tomorrow, but it came today. And this one, sorry, oh my gosh, let me show the address. But this one is from Mercari, so we're going to open up this one first. So let's open it.
It's like so excited. Okay, I'm so glad to do that.
Let's get the first peek. I'm going to pull out the first peek. Oh my gosh, my dream squishy. It's the eyebrow pink bread doll. I always wanted this squishy. This is cheap for $9 because one of them is defected, but this one's the perfect condition. And the tag fell off. It comes with this pink tag. So cute. It's like kind of dented hard, but it's a little hard, but still like super squishy. And it comes with the hard eyes. It's super cute. And then here is the packaging. It says bread doll, angel, that kind of stuff. It's so cute. So we're gonna move to the next one. This one's the defected one, I think. Okay. Oh my gosh. It is the Eye Bloom Pom Pom Hamster. It's quite cute. I'm gonna take this one even though it is quite defected. So I ordered this for like $6, but $9 shipped. You can see, look how defected it is. Now it's like I already ordered defected, but I don't even mind that it's defected. See like the ears, and that's totally fine with me. Okay, so that was amazing package. Let's see if there's any extras. Okay, there's no extras, so we're gonna go to the next one. This is the one from mesokawaii, and I expected it to come tomorrow, so.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sniff them. So, okay, we're gonna pull it open like this. Or, oh my gosh. I'm trying not to come out of it, but it's so hard to. Okay. This is very cute. Into the squishy is $30. I found this one $15. It's kind of hard to compete. Here's the first peek.
Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. So, it came in like this box kind of thing. That's that. And here it is. So this is what means why I know they're going out of business, but I had to buy this squishy because I can read this. But it's the lime mochi seal. As you know, I have the the bright purple mochi seal, so I had to get another one. I'm in love with the mochi seals. Like, it's basically like Game Readers. I mean, I love Game Readers a lot more, but still. Oh my gosh. Cut, snip. Okay. So soft. Okay, I'm gonna first show the ball chain. It's smells like very weird though. It smells weird. I don't know what this smells like. It has a really weird smell, but this is like a thinner packaging than the other one. But it's so soft. I'm surprised this is really hot. It's like 80 degrees outside. But I'm gonna just open it. Just like doing that. I think I just ruined the packaging. But oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. I'm trying to go really fast. So I have some friends coming over. And I might just be ruining the packaging. Okay, I got it. Here it is. Oh, that's so soft. That is so eerie. I love this one so much. Oh my gosh. And there's no extras, but that's totally fine. But oh, here's the licensing on the Bloom one. You guys see this is Bloom. I don't know if you guys see this one. This one even has, I don't know. But this is so weird. It is the leopard design. This is $10 plus $15 shipped. So that's a very affordable price. Oh my gosh. I had to see, like, when it was like 30 last night, I had to get it because I'm like, I need this. I need this. It's just so affordable. I need it. I'm like. So that's the end for the package. Oh, here's the box, by the way. I forgot to show you the box. But here's the box. Oh, and then you can read that. I don't know if you can read that, but if you want to read that, pause the video and read it. But it's a yellow leopard. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe and hit the notification button so you know every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans.